Can you think of a time when your partner made you feel really loved, and what did they exactly do? And how do you usually support someone when they are going through a hard time? Do you think it matches how they like to receive love? If you want to understand how people like to receive and give love, and if you want to improve the communication aspect of your relationship, then this video can be helpful to you. Hello humans of internet, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As we all know that communication is foundation of every relationship, whether it's with your significant other, family, or friends. Communication is essential to building and maintaining a strong connection. However, not everyone communicates in the same way. That's where love languages come in. Love languages as a concept were first introduced by Dr. Gary Chapman in his book, The Five Love Languages. The idea is that everyone has a primary love language, which is the way they prefer to give and receive love. By understanding your partner's love language, you can better communicate with them and strengthen your relationship. Love languages mentioned in that book are words of affirmation, giving or receiving gifts, physical touch, act of service, and quality time. Now you must be thinking, why does this matter? Well, just like people speak different languages around the world, we all have our unique ways of feeling loved. For example, some people feel loved when they say kind words, while others might prefer a helpful action. It's like figuring out the secret code to make someone feel truly special. Knowing your partner's love language help you to connect better. It's like understanding what makes them feel loved and doing more of that. Knowing these love languages is like having a map to navigate the wonderful world. So let's start with words of affirmation. For someone who has words of affirmation as their love language, verbal expression of love and appreciation are essential. Regularly hearing kind, loving, and encouraging words help them to feel valued and secure in a relationship. Features of the people who express themselves through words of affirmation are that they like compliments and positive affirmation. They mostly express love through verbal reassurance and acknowledgement and want to receive love in this similar manner. They expect frequent use of the words like I love you, you mean a lot to me, and appreciating their qualities. The problem with the people who communicate in this love language is that lack of verbal affirmation may lead to feeling of insecurity and unappreciation to them. Your criticism or harsh words can have a deep impact and causing emotional distress. Often misunderstandings may arise if the partner doesn't recognize the importance of verbal expression. So what are the solutions? The solutions for this love language are that if your partner's primary love language is words of affirmation, then you should regularly try to express love and appreciation, or you should share compliments and affirmation sincerely and authentically. Acknowledgement of their achievement and effort should be made. Very mindful of the impact of words and choosing kindness over criticism. And be always open to communication about importance of verbal affirmation in this kind of relationship. Next we have gifts. For the people who speak this love language, receiving gifts shows that their partner cares about them. It doesn't have to be anything extravagant. Even the small gestures like bringing up their favorite snacks can make a big impact. The essential aspect of this love language is expressing love through thoughtful and meaningful presents. These gifts don't have to be very expensive. The sentiment behind the gift hold more significance. The basic feature of the people who speak this love language is thoughtfulness. When the gifts are chosen with careful consideration and reflecting the recipient's likes and preferences, this language type appreciates it a lot. The act of giving or receiving gifts become tangible expression of love and emotional connection. The element of surprise enhances the joy associated with receiving gift, which they enjoy a lot. The problems with this language type are these people are often misunderstood. Without understanding them, people might perceive them as the materialistic person rather than a genuine person who desires for connection. For these people, there are expectations for receiving gifts on a special occasion, and disappointment can arise if these expectations are not met. For the partner also, it is very stressful to consistently find meaningful gifts, particularly if the resources are limited for them. Then what could be the solutions? Communication. Openly discussing the importance of meaningful gift in expressing love and helping others understand their significance. Number two, setting expectations. Communicate your expectations clearly, finding a balance that consider the emotional value of the gift rather than its material worth. The another solution can be alternative expressions. Encourage other form of expressing love. Emphasize that the love language is one aspect of the broader emotional connection. Understanding and respecting the gift's love language involves recognizing the emotional value behind the each present. Clear communication and finding a balance can create harmonious expression of love for both giver and the recipient. The next love language is physical touch. This love language is all about physical affection. It includes holding hands, hugging, and kissing. People who speak this love language feel most loved when they are physically close to their partner. For someone with a primary love language of physical touch, physical closeness is crucial for feeling loved and secure. This may include hugging, kissing, holding hands, and any form of connection. Features of this love language are regular physical display of affection, such as cuddling and reassuring touch on the arm, are essential. Intimacy is very important. Intimate moments contribute significantly to their emotional well being, creating a strong bond in the relationship. They appreciate nonverbal communication. Physical touch often serves as a nonverbal way of expression of love and care. The problems with this love language: misinterpretation. Lack of physical touch may be misinterpreted as emotional distance or lack of affection. Emotional disconnection. Without regular physical contact, individuals with this love language might feel emotionally disconnected. In the times of stress or conflict, the absence of physical touch can intensify the feelings of insecurity. The solutions are: first, to have open communication. Discuss the importance of physical touch openly with your partner to ensure understanding. Make a conscious effort to incorporate regular meaningful touch play into daily interactions. Combine physical touch with quality time, reinforcing the emotional connection. Understanding and respecting significance of physical touch can strengthen the emotional bond in the relationship, creating an environment where both the partners feel loved and valued. The another love language is act of service. This love language is all about doing things for your partner. It includes helping with household chores, running errands, and doing anything that makes your partner's life easier. When someone has the act of service love language, they feel loved and valued through helpful actions rather than spoken words or gift. Simple act of assistance and support speaks volumes to them. Features of this love language are helpful gestures. Acts like cooking a meal, doing chores, or lending a hand are powerful expression of love. Another feature is thoughtfulness. Small considerate acts that show you attuned to their needs and willing to make their life easier. Teamwork is very important to them. Collaborative efforts to make daily tasks create a sense of partnership and closeness for them. The problems for this love language are unmet expectations. If acts of service are not reciprocated, the person may feel unappreciated or unloved. Another problem is miscommunication. Differences in understanding what constitutes a helpful act can lead to misunderstanding. And burnout can be another problem. Constantly relying on one person for act of service without reciprocation can lead to exhaustion. The solutions for this love language are open communication. Discuss expectations and what specific acts hold the most meaning for each person. Another solution could be that ensure that the act of service are a two-way street, with both partners contributing to the relationship. Another solution could be appreciation. Express gratitude for the efforts made and reinforcing the value of act performed. The last love language is quality time. For people who speak this love language, spending time together is the most important thing. It includes going on dates, having meaningful conversation, and doing activities together. The features of these people are they love undivided attention. Individuals with quality time love language value focused and undistracted time together. They really appreciate meaningful conversations. Deep, meaningful conversations are essentials to make this time truly special. They love sharing experiences with partner, creating memories through shared activity foster a strong connection. For them, it is always about quality over quantity. The problems with this love language are distractions. Busy schedules and constant distractions can hinder the quality of the time spent together. Another problem can be mismatched expectation. If the partner have different expectations regarding the quality of time, it may lead to misunderstanding. Feeling neglected is another problem which can arise. Lack of focused attention can make the person feel neglected or unimportant. The solutions for this love language are: schedule your quality time together. Plan dedicated time for each other, free from distractions. Have open communication. Discuss the expectation and find a balance that suits both the partner. Quality check ins. Regularly check in with each other to ensure quality of time spent is fulfilling. Understanding and respecting the need of quality time is key in nurturing relationship where this love language is predominant. It's not just about being physically present but emotionally invested during those moments together. By understanding your partner's love language and communicating with them in a way that they understand, you can build a strong relationship. Remember that everyone communicates differently, so it is important to be patient and understanding with your partner. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you understand the importance of love language in relationship. Remember to communicate your partner in a way they understand and always show them love in their preferred way. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more of such videos.